like I said, I'm reaching out to the people that, hey, if you deactivated, get reactivated. This is our time. This is what we've been looking for. And this one is the one I believe that will set this new era on. So without further ado, I'm going to talk about the time-sensitive promotion that I have looked for in this program ever since it started. And I believe this was the missing link that brought it back. And now this is where I'm focused. Like I said, I'm reaching out to the people that, hey, if you deactivated, get reactivated. This is our time. This is what we've been looking for. And this one is the one I believe that will set this new era on. So without further ado, I want to go ahead and take you to the Team Achieve Prosperity Club site, and I want to introduce you to our program and what Coach Rashid does for the members that do come along and join us in this journey. The first thing I want to highlight is if somebody gives you www.taprosperity.club, then this is part of our community, right? We have a close community. We have, a good tight group of committed people, because we all have a vision to attain a certain level of success. And unlimited options is really where we all, focus on. And we want to take care of our community. That means our families and the people around us and the people that have, really sacrificed for us, and, all those late nights and those long days. We really are committed to success. And anybody that comes into this particular arena, then the first place you're going to go is to this website, because it really breaks it down for you. We learn, we earn, we prosper. This is Team Achieve. This is the Prosperity Club. And this is a little deeper dive into what it takes to get to the next level. No more in 2024. That's our motto. January 6th, we had Ignite Your Fire, sessions, about a 5-hour Zoom, amazing project. I had 4 great speakers. We talked about a lot of beautiful, beautiful projects. And one thing that I wanted people to really see is, for Team Achieve Prosperity Club, we can minimize to maximize, right? We can take a lot of projects and we narrow it down to 4 that will sustain us to that unlimited options, that next level, that next era. We take it all the way out to prosperity. That's all we need to get to that level of success. We don't need 50, we just need 4. And that's what we do for you. We reduce it down and we focus on those 4 that's going to take us all the way to the bank, if you will. All right. So just to give you a little highlight about what we're doing, you want to know about AI, crypto banking, Web 3.0, tokenization, how we influence our future. You know what? We also talk about, what coaching and consulting does for our personal finance and personal development. We're going to get into some education, master classes, masterminds. We do that as well. We're gearing up for this session. This session is going to be a masterclass of a series of about 6 to 8 sessions. And they're going to be like master classes where we're going to give you an opportunity to learn something, and then we give you an opportunity to ask questions. And we're going to be able to elevate your knowledge. No more in 2024 is really what we're about. And we're about to launch our first education project in 2024. We already have one that's already online, and this is number 2. Right. And it's going to be about, how do we understand the investing landscape in 2024? Because it's much different now than it was previously. And so, how to take the fear out of investing, and we're going to nail that home. And I got a couple of experts that are going to be coming on and talking about that very subject here shortly in our session. Team Achieve Prosperity channel if you want to learn more about what we do and how you can get involved, then just come in, read this, this first page, little information, gives you some background, give you a quick hit. This is what we're about. And I would love for you to definitely come over, take the time, read through that, and know exactly what we are doing. And this right here really gives you a snapshot of what we're doing. In addition to that, you can kind of see a snapshot of some of the things that we've done, in the past, some of the travel, all that great stuff. And then, we'll talk a little bit about my book as well. And then I give you a little insight to some of the fintech partnerships, which are these categories here. There's actual organizations behind each one of those. So there may be multiple organizations that we choose from to give you an opportunity in each of these areas. So you can always come in. You can come right here to the gateway. You can scroll through and you can say, I would like to know more about DeFi tokenization. Boom, submit that. I'll get that email and then I'll respond to you immediately. All right. Then events, client experience. So just a snapshot of, just some of the things that we've been able to get involved with, opportunities, big events, things like that. Speaking engagements, just exciting times. We got the camels going, got the gold, we got the car, we got some fascinating things that go on with Team Achieve. That's just the first page. That's just a snapshot. It take you to, more information about our coaching, about our education. But I would love for you to come on out, take a look at www.taprosperity.club and get introduced to what Coach Rashid and Team Achieve Prosperity Club is doing to change lives in 2024. With that being said, I want to take you over to what we came here for. Boom, we talk about Xera. So let's talk about Xera right quick, and then we're going to get into the special project called Quantwise, and that's really what I'm here for. All right. So since it's not about me, it's about the information. Xera is a global movement. So Xera being a global movement, we want to talk about these mega promotions, and this is just a presentation about the current promotions that are going on. So the first thing we want to talk about is Quantwise, success-proven trading software. Quantwise has a lifetime promotion. It's kicking it off February 15th, and it's going until the first 10,000 have completed their purchase. So Quantwise is a platform that teaches you about trading, about the markets, about crypto, about Forex. It really gives you a plethora of education tools, but there's a bot that does all the work. So don't worry, you don't have to physically know how to trade, but you just want to be in the right position in order to win. And that's what Quantwise will do. So I'll talk more about Quantwise in a minute, but I want to get this mega kickoff promotion to you right now because it's very time sensitive and it is explosive. So what you see here, really got to let this soak in. The mega kickoff promotion, the top chart shows you this is what is currently going on, right? Normally €49 a month, $397 annual. But if you want to pay one time, it's $797, 50% profit. So 50-50, right? 50% profit to you, 50% goes back to the company. So if you want to go with the Pro, $199 a month, $1497 per year, or one-time payment of $3,997, or about €4,000, and you're going to earn 60%. 40% goes back to the company. Now, if you want to go with the Quantwise Expert license, that's going to be €500 per month, and it's going to be $4,000 per year, or $6,000 lifetime one-time payment, and you're going to earn 70%. Company keeps 30%. Then you pay a €39 annual fee. That's what the normal price is. But for this promo and being part of this Xera ecosystem, this is the promo. This is what they've done. This is the powerhouse of a promo that I'm talking. I've never seen anything this strong because we saw information about Quantwise software and what it's doing and what it's done for the last 3 years. And that's why I'm excited. And I definitely encourage you. If you've been with Saphir, you wake up, get re-engaged, get reactivated because this right here is fire. This is the real deal. This is some great stuff. Quantwise Expert. Now, if you look up top, it says expert, €499 a month, 4,000 annual, 6,000 one time, 30% profit goes to them, 70% goes to you. What if you look at the promo? Expert, right? Look at this now. The first 1,000, it's a total of 10,000, but the first 1,000 is going to get a lifetime price of $14.97, one-time payment, and you only pay €39 a year. €1,500 one-time payment instead of €6,000 and a €500 per month. Which would you rather have? And you're earning 70% of the profits every single day, every single month, and you have access to your funds at all times. That's powerful. And the bot has been winning 80 to 90% of the time over the 3 years. So you can't help but win. But that's the power of this. Now, let's say you missed that first 1,000, and then you capture the next 9,000. It's only €4,000. But if you're averaging 1,000 euros per month with the bot, I think you'll be okay, right? And most of us get into these programs and we average anywhere from 1,000 to 2,000 per week over the first year. So that 4,000 is not unreasonable and it can be done easily. But you would prefer to pay the €1,500 and get in the game now. Look at my last video. It shows you exactly a walkthrough video of how to register for Quantwise. Get the promo. Don't delay. Go for it right now. This is powerful stuff, right? All right. So here's what's going on. It says Xera provides its community with highly innovative hardware products and software solutions in different product categories like education, tech, software products for trading purposes, as well as blockchain tech. Xera does not offer or carry out any financial services such as trading, arbitrage, virtual assets, selling, or buying. For more information, visit Xera.pro or Quantwise.ai. Okay, so just make sure that you understand that. Now, like a kickoff promotion available, you have in the K-Mall, when you pay the fee, €39 fee, you're going to get a €110 license to mint the Cloud K or CLI crypto, right? So CLFI crypto, which is the base token for the whole program or native token, you're going to get that particular minting product or that license or that server to mint your particular cryptocurrency, CLFI, right? When you purchase your annual membership to access the K-Mall. Pretty cool, huh? So that's just another bonus on top of the bonus. So that gives you more leverage to go ahead and earn more with the program. It tells you exactly the steps to go through in order for you to start earning your CLFI. Now, let me give you this information real quick, because you may not have seen this because I didn't know how this worked until they explained it. You must purchase your CLFI on Coinbase, LBank, Bitmart, Forex. Coinbase seems to be the best way to do it. Now, when you purchase that, you'll have it available. You don't need that much, just get a little bit, right? And then it says step 1, you got your license node. Then step 2, you purchase the token on the exchange. So you already got the token. Step 3, link your token to the back office. There's a process. Just follow the process, right? Step 4, you enjoy your minting results. Simple as that. Base token up to €220, and then project tokens, €110 worth. So you'll be able to mint both of those. You just get to choose whatever you want, and then you'll be able to mint both of those right there in your back office. That's a bonus right there. You didn't have to pay for anything except the tokens, but you got the license to go ahead and mint that on your server. Pretty cool. Now, this right here is pretty exciting as well. 90-day call to action. Give yourself a massive kickoff. So as leaders in this industry, as leaders in the Sapphire and now transferred to the Xera and the Zenith, this right here is something that is absolutely powerful. And, the head of global sales that talked about this on the actual official presentation. Very exciting. So calling out everybody out there that has access to a team, a community, people that follow you, this right here is outstanding. Let me show you something. You want to create momentum, you want to get down with this rewards plan. This is what we offer. Powerful distribution driven by our exclusive database storage and server solutions. Here are the bonuses. Now, compare this to everything else you got out there. This is a true network marketing business. Ain't no gray area. This is network marketing at its finest. Okay. Direct bonus, 10 to 15%. Unilevel bonus up to 15 levels. Yes, 15 levels. And it will go infinity. Wow, look there. Infinity bonus up to 23%, but it goes indefinite levels. So the dynamic unilevel bonus up to 15 levels, that's direct. But when you have somebody else with the same rank or with theirs, different ranks, then you get a dynamic compression, right? That allows for you to earn indefinitely or to infinity. Anyway, when you're down, get in touch with me. We'll talk about this rewards plan. Turnover rank bonus, XGI pool bonus. So you get paid in XGI and you get paid in euros. Then you have the infinity bonus up to 23%. Matching bonus. A lot of people love the matching bonus. That's like a residual income. House bonus, retreat bonus. It just gets crazy. About 72% is paid out to you through the rewards plan. Most programs don't do that. This is all about promos. Don't miss. Go to Executive Pro in 90 days. Executive Pro in 90 days. What does it take to get to Executive Pro? 60,000 in volume, right? This is what it looks like. Simple strategy, right? Set your legacy up for personal freedom in just 90 days. 5 directs with product purchase, 5 direct in addition with product purchase, okay? So here's what it looks like. Support your directs to do the same as you. First, 30 days. Unlock your direct bonus from 10 to 15% forever. Unlock up to 5 levels in Unilevel. Hit the first turnover rank bonus. Now, step 2, unlock advantage. First infinity level and get 5% infinity bonus on top. So you're going to be able to get additional bonuses on top of bonuses. But I'm gonna give you a little insight to what we can do collectively to go ahead and max out and get that 60,000 as quick as possible. Now, what does it take? They say, if you go Executive Pro in the first 90 days, right? If you do it in 30 days, you're going to get VIP treatment. You're going to get business class flight and first class hotel. Very nice. 60 days, you get Executive Pro in 60 days. Enjoy accommodation in first class hotel and a business class flight, right? No VIP treatment, but that's okay. You got a business class flight. And when you're flying from the US all the way to Dubai, you're going to like it. 90 days, you get it in 90 days, you're going to enjoy first class hotel. So you're going to get a nice hotel in Dubai, a number of nice hotels, economy class flight. Boom. Either way it goes, you're crushing it. So right here, what does it say? It says the incentive period begins February 15th. To qualify for the incentive, you must achieve the Executive Pro rank, which is a minimum of 60,000 CP or consumable, what is that? Points, 50% clause calculation within the incentive period, right? So 50% will be in one leg or more than one leg, and then the other 50% can be in the other legs, right? You can't have it in one leg. It's got to be in multiple legs. That's what they're saying. All right, main rules. What is it? Incentive period begins February 15th, right? To qualify incentive, you must achieve Executive Pro rank, which is minimum 60,000 CP after 50% clause calculation within the incentive period by May 15th, right? 50% clause means you can have one, and then you got to have the rest of the other 50% across all your other legs. For more information, then please refer to the Xera back office. Business class flights, so on and so forth, and the Premier Hotel, you'll be good to go. All right, nice. NFT link explanation. When users purchase hardware, they will receive 1 NFT for every €100 purchase. For every €100 purchase. The NFT is considered active the moment €100 of CLFI are linked with the hardware, right? Like I showed you earlier. In addition to the 60,000 CP, you reach the incentive, your structure needs to have 600 active NFTs, right? So they want you to have the actual hardware. You know what? this is what we're going to do. I'm going to show you exactly what all this is. Okay. All right. Take care, man. I'll see you in a minute. So let me show you something. Like, yeah, we're going to number one. You're exactly right. I want to take you to the actual website because I need to show you a little bit more about this. All right. But I want to talk about that. But let's talk about Quantwise, and then I want to take you to the site so you can see everything at one time. How about that? Boom. Let's go. Quantwise. Man, this is fantastic. You just don't know. I'm loving this. This is so, so powerful, right? We already talked about all that. So I want to talk about monthly reports. So Quantwise, like I said, you pay $1,500 right now. The promo time, you get the 70% paid out to you. 30% is the fee, the performance fee. You only pay 39 euros an annual fee, and you only pay $1,500 forever, lifetime. Boom, done, one time. So all you got to do is fund your account and start making money. You get that $1,500 back probably in the first month based upon how much you put in, right? I recommend anywhere from 2,000 to 5,000 reasonably, but if you're somebody that really believes in the system, then 10K or higher. Now, here's what we got. Here's what we're working with. They're going to provide monthly reports. They're going to provide so much information, education. They're going to give you insights like none other. Crypto updates, long-term buyer recommendations. They're going to provide you with 7-day activity, recommended assets. They're going to tell you what they, based on the AI is telling you, this is an AI GPT. It's telling you what to actually trade with, what's going to give you the best results, the global news, what's affecting the results, top trading updates. It's going to give you all of it, right? Right now they got Crypto GPT. They're coming with Forex GPT in the future. Whether you're new to the market or your trading isn't your forte, our automated system helps you make the smart trading moves. So some of the trading results. I would love to see this as clearly as possible, but unfortunately, I can only do what I can do. All right. So I still couldn't find my magnifying glass, but I got it around here somewhere. So we're going to read it as best as we can. So top on the left-hand side, there is something, I think it says deposit. Deposits right there. I wish I could circle that. Is there a way I can circle that? It might be. Edit image. I don't know if I can do it. I'm going to try to do it. I don't think I have anything I can write with. Is that something right there? Oh, I think so. Let's try that. I think this says deposit. So I'm going to see if I can circle that. I can. Well, look at that. Right? So that says deposit. Okay. And then I think right here it gives the results. Right. So now save. I know you're probably like, Rashid, please don't do that. Okay, I won't. I'm just gonna go here and see if I can't. I was trying to make it larger because I want to make it larger. All right, so those are two places. So right, let's just move that out of the way. All right, reset because I don't want all that on there. All right, so we're good. Just cancel. All right, so just wanted to show you to look in those places. All right, so let's go back, grow it up, blow it up. Right, so right here was the first place. Right, 1 million was deposited. So they gave us an example of 1 million was deposited in October 2022, and right here, if I can see it, but I can't see exactly what it says, but I know it's given us the amount. And as of January or 1st of February 2024, about 14 months, 13, 14 months, they had a return of 3.6 million. Deposit 1 million, return of 3.6. Since I can't read any of this, then I'm trying to figure out that 3.6x in that time frame. So you're basically telling me in 12 months, I have tripled my money. So that being the case, that means every 6 months or so, 1.5x my money, right? So I need to do the calculation so I can get an average. Normally that's going to give us maybe 18 to 20% per month. Okay. So I think that's pretty powerful in itself. That speaks for itself. 80 to 90% win rate for over 3 years. Very powerful. I recommend this very highly. All right. How does it work? Boom. 5 steps. Open an account, complete your KYC, pop up the fund, choose your Quantwise license, connect your software. You do all, well, basically, you're going to do the purchase right now because we have the deal. You can't get the bonus. You can't get the promo if you go straight to Quantwise. You got to get it through the Xera back office, right? Through the K-Mall, you purchase it there, and then they're going to provide the rest of the information as we go. So there are 2 strategies, bulls and huddle. BTC and USDT are the only 2 that they're working with because of the liquidity is the highest there. Or you can just hold on to it and just, maybe wait till Bitcoin goes to 100,000 and then you can take your money out. Your funds are safe, period. Why? Because they're using Binance, and Unicapital is the broker that's using the Binance exchange in order to go ahead and, yes, take care of your money. So if you want to withdraw, you just contact Unicapital and you will be able to withdraw your funds. No problem. There's no lockup. There's no, submitting your funds and you can't touch them. None of that. You have access to your funds at all times. Very cool. With the largest exchange in the world. All right. So we talked about the packages. We know that these are some of the things that they're offering. Then we talked about the promo. €39. Yes, that is an annual fee. There's 10,000 licenses that they're offering. 1,000 of those licenses are for the expert deal, right? Normally it's €39.97 or €4,000 for the annual fee. Now it's $14.97 for the first 1,000. Now for the pro, it's $14.97 a year. Right? And that's for the first 9,000. Got it? So those 2 are really what we are excited about. It launched in the back office February 15th, and it's going live in March of 2024. So that's pretty cool in itself. We do want to go ahead and present the site so you'll know exactly where all of this is with no problem. All right, good stuff. Now, so right here on when you go to your 2 access, this is, for folks that came from Saphir and you transfer it over to Xera, then you know that you initially would hit this. This is your dashboard, right? 2 access. This is your dashboard. All of the platforms are here. Then you go to the other platforms. Okay, so let me show you something. Right now we have a mall, which has all the products. This is where we purchase our products. Okay, K-Minting is where they hold our tokenization projects, where they're minting. So the things that we had over in Zanique and Saphir, it's in here in the K-Mintings, and all those minting projects are here, right? Any tokenization project that we purchase, the nodes for, they're right there in the K-Minting. So don't worry, I'll show you that too. Xera is the main hub for what Saphir was, taking care of the members. This is what Saphir does, and has the compensation plan and a wiki for understanding the program. Now, what's coming soon? Neo 1. So excited about Neo 1. I could hardly even, look at that. That just showed up. It wasn't here the other day. Now it's here. We know that that's coming very soon. What is Neo 1? Neo 1 is the crypto bank, Neo Bank, for the new era. That right there, I'm so excited to explore that and see that. So stay tuned. We're going to get involved. As soon as that pops, we're going to talk about that. Coinbase, 2024, no more in 2024. Neo 1, crypto banking, that's what 2024 is all about. Okay, Coinbase. This is an exchange where you purchase your crypto, and we've been told Coinbase has the best rates for CLFI. And so when that launches, we'll go ahead and purchase the CLFI. So that's cool because everything is in one place. And then the next thing that comes is going to populate will be right here, ready to rock and roll. Now, with that being said, let's go ahead and take a look at K Mintings, just so you'll see what K Mintings has to offer, right? Like I said, Desert Pearl, it's got the Tupan, and got my Saphir minting nodes. I have a lot of them. So it's a lot of them, and they're all here. Okay. Minting hubs. So many minting hubs. All right. So all that is there. Okay. And then over here with the K Mall, this is like I said, this is where you make all your purchases in the K Mall. I guess it's probably went to sleep on me. Now I'm trying to wake it up. All right, K Mall, let's see what you're working with. All right. So all you got to do is jump on, make sure that you log in, and then you can access all of your different platforms. All right. So you come to your K Mall and you want to do some shopping, and then you can see, like here it says phone, license, mentors, Quantwise, combos, K minting. So let's click on K minting. What does that mean? Now, let me show you something right here. So you remember in the Zanique platform, you were able to go in and you will see all of the tokenization projects. You will see, where you could purchase the in-house minting uh, hubs, right? Or nodes, minting farm. So all these things, right? So all the minting nodes are here. So you can come in here and you can select and mint, and they will mint for you, right? City minting, regardless, normal, all the minting that you expect is right here. Pretty awesome. NRT power node. I'm definitely planning to get that. The Boo minting node is really something that I have seen some updates on, and that thing is starting to rock and roll. You got the T-Drone node. You have the 5 rings, ambitious sports and real estate type project. So you have an opportunity to earn from everything. I mean, this is phenomenal. All right. It's really nice. So everything is there. So the Quantwise is really what our focus is right now because it's time sensitive. We want to make sure we take advantage of it. So what we see is when you come here, then you're going to see there's a plus, expert, pro. So be sure and see expert because the price is the same, but you get more benefit with this one, 30% fee, 40% fee. So you want to take advantage of this one right here. Okay. $14.97. It's still available. You might as well go ahead and get it right now. This is not financial or investment advice, but if you can see that a promo that offers you $14.97 when it has a bot that's getting 80 to 90% win rate and it's done 3.6x over the last year with 1 million, took it to 3.6 million. I think it's worth our time to take advantage of something that has this level, of success and safe, secure within a Xera, within a K-Mall, within a substantial, an established platform like this. Of course, they've done their due diligence. They did their research. This thing is working. So let's see where this goes. So, like I said, I implore you to go ahead and take advantage of this because I think this one is the winner, the one that you've been looking for. This one is the one that's gonna make that happen for us. Under our brand, the Team Achieve Prosperity Club, this is what we look for. We look for quality projects, projects that will stand the test of time. They've stood the test of time. They've been around. They've done their thing. They worked out the kinks, and now they're providing us a whole nother level. Like they swallowed the pride and said, "Look, we've gone as far as we can go. We need to incorporate things that we haven't done, we can't do. Let's go find somebody that has the expertise to do it." And that's what they've done for the members to benefit. So powerful. You definitely want to be on point with this one. Time sensitive, 1,000 only Only 1,000 of these are being sold at $14.97. It's still available. Get it while the getting is here. This one is going to be $14.97. This one's going to go up to, what is it, 4,000? So you got to be careful about that. Very powerful, very powerful. Definitely recommend it. Go and get it. If you can't get either two, then go ahead and do the 50-50. And that was $3.97. So still a good deal. You just want to see if you can get the $14.97 because that promo is outstanding. But if you can't, go ahead and do the $3.97. While right now, that's the fee, period. There's no additional monthly, nothing. It's just straight up $3.97 one time. Take advantage of it. Go for it, right? Because you still get the benefit of one-time payment. So when we talk about the minting, there are actual minters that you can order and mint the cryptocurrency. There's a variety, CLFI, and the Euro K, Euro W. So you can definitely take advantage of that. We got the license that you can order. And if you order a 550 or above, then you're going to have this Quantwise Plus attached to that. And so you'll be able to mint the cryptocurrency based on your NFT, and you'll be able to take advantage of the Quantwise Plus license to do some trading. So really cool. Love it. Love it. There's combos as well. So you get in here and you can work out, with these combos. So you have 330, 550, 1,000. So that 1,000 and the Quantwise. So I guess that has Quantwise added as well. Pretty interesting. So as you can tell, yeah, I like that. So they got these bundles where you get the phone, which mints the cryptocurrency, and you have the phone, you have Quantwise Plus, and you have the servers. Oh man, that's powerful right there. It's only $13.20. Amazing. Good Lord, that's amazing. That might be something to take a look at in there. But I already got this, so I don't know if that's gonna. Hey, just one of those things that we're gonna have to find out. All right, cool. So I just wanted to give you that insight. Lots of great things happening. And if you want to get money into your wallet, then you're gonna have to do a couple of things. First, you have to hit deposit. Okay, all right. And if you go to top up, all right. So under top up, which is the easiest way to do this. So top up, you got USDT, and it asks you for the network, so you can choose whichever one. And after you do that, you put the amount, and you're good to go. All right, bam. And you're gonna get 9,245 Euro K if you put in 10,000. And so obviously the Euro K is worth way more than USD. Cool, got it. Wallet address is right there. Boom, you can send me money anytime. But to protect the innocent, I left that blocked for now. All right. And that's why my wallet actually has some funds in it because of that. I already paid for my orders. So I already got that Quantwise Pro, which is supposed to be expert, but I'll explain that later. And then I need to activate this one. So I'm gonna do that later as well. But yeah, looks like we covered pretty much everything that I wanted to cover today. Definitely get involved. If you want to join the team, then I'm going to make sure I post the link in the description. VPN is required, so you want to take advantage of that. Enable your VPN, click on my link, and then you'll be in the game. All right. So we welcome you to be part of the change, part of the future, part of the amazing opportunity that we call Xera. And Xera is the, like I said, overarching umbrella for the 2Access, which gives you the dashboard, all of the projects that are available. And that's your one-stop shop, get you in the game, and let's rock and roll. Let's max out. Let's get to that 100%. I need 40 people to go ahead and purchase that 14.97 euro license on Quantwise, and then we will be in the game. All right. Whoever gets to that point, whoever joins will be one of the people that I'm not going to Dubai. I've been there. I'm happy with it, but I will select someone and I will send them to Dubai for this trip. If we can get that particular promo, we get to that level, you get to that level, and I'll send you to Dubai for the launch of this organization. How about that? All right, let's do this. Until next time, I'll see you on the next one. All right, peace. And I'm out. Anyway, it's been a pleasure. I just wanted to go ahead and let you know that, look, this is not financial or investment advice. This is just my personal experience. Been with this program, Saphir and Zenith, and now it's Xera and Neo Zentech. They got Layer K that is obviously sponsoring the CLFI and the minting servers. They have the Mall that host all of the projects and the products. And then they have the upcoming Neo One, which is the crypto bank. 2024 is our year. We will have a selection of crypto banks and crypto banking, crypto systems that will help us to purchase and transact on and off ramp crypto so much easier than we have been doing in the past. So I welcome what we have in front of us. I'm so excited for this opportunity, and I'm excited for you too. If you have been deactivated on the sideline with Saphir and Zenith for the last year or two, it's time to get back in the game. I do reach out to you and say, come on, let's go. Because I'm reactivated and I'm rolling. And like I said, based on the contest, right, you get to 60,000 and you don't have it balanced or something's not, clicking. Don't worry, I got you. I'll make sure you get to Dubai and you can actually hang out with the bosses, the teams, the leadership. You can see the off. You can do all of that. It's all good. I'm not going to go if I win or don't win. It doesn't matter. I'm not going. But I do want to get 40 of those 40 people to purchase 40 license, right, that are on the promo right now. And then I'm going to select somebody and send them to Dubai. How about that? Peace. And I'll see you on the next one.